po kasililiamain ko and greetings everyone.
Medye alangan Pohnpei V6AH ay suksej lang atang arway pekon sang kalanyarnet Pohnpei nan kan takakapachapat chen Micronesia. V6AH kuya sa men Pohnpei me patio ban epon kaway dan Pohnpei State Government o Pohnpei Public Broadcasting Corporation makan Qatar ngan kair nan AM killers kitbabay sa tuwaw bakelain kawatch nan FM megahertz wali sa 8.0 bakelain kawatch walupukay nan V6AH Facebook or YouTube live feed o nan FSMTC Cable TV Channel Ray sa Riau. This is the voice of Pohnpei V6AH now resuming its transmission from the linear net Pohnpei in the Federated States of Micronesia. V6AH is owned by the state of Pohnpei and operated by Pohnpei State Government and Pohnpei Public Broadcasting Corporation on an assigned AM frequency of 1449 kHz with an output power of 10,000 watts, FM frequency of 88.3 MHz with an output power of 800 watts in V6AH Facebook and YouTube live feeds and in FSMTC Cable TV Channel 22.